Okay? So, for this part, we will talk about how are you going to classify your variables. So, balik tayo dun sa questionnaire, no? Survey questionnaire. Alam natin na yung survey questionnaire is our way to gather data, to gather information. But meron pang isang function yung survey questionnaire. So, survey questionnaire will define the classification of your variables. So, what do you mean by define the classification? Ibig sabihin, it will tell you kung yung variable nyo ba is categorical or numerical. To be more specific, yung diagnosis o yung end result ng survey questionnaire nyo, yung magsasabi kung yung variable nyo ba is nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio. Okay? So, in this example, makikita natin yung survey questionnaire ng Internet Addiction Test which was developed by Dr. Kimberly Young. Now, in 2017, this survey questionnaire was used by Upadhyay and Guragin to compare the internet addiction level of male and female medical students in their school. Okay? So, paano kunin yung diagnosis ng survey na to? So, according to Dr. Kimberly Young, the IAT score or the Internet Addiction Test score was obtained by computing the total scores from all 20 items. So, ipag-add lang daw yung response sa bawat questions. And then, meron tayong category dito. So, kapag yung total score is 20 to 49, then you're just an average online user. Kapag 50 to 79, meron kang na-encounter na problem related to internet addiction. And if you have 80 to 100 points, then you have greater level of addiction. So although yung process ng pagkuha ng internet addiction level is numerical, but the variable is ordinal. Ordinal kasi yung internet addiction level is categorical. Okay? And yung categorical natin has meaningful order. So, that's how you classify your variable using your survey questionnaire. Titingnan nyo yung diagnosis o yung end result.